Hello everyone. As we know, after assembling the robotic arm, some deviations are inevitable. So in today's episode, I would like to show you how to adjust xArm's deviation. Now let's open the PC software and connect to our xArm. While in standard condition, the number 3, number 4, number 5 servo should be presented in vertical state and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Meanwhile, the position of these two screws should be presented in the middle of the metal plate. If it cannot meet these two criteria mentioned above, you need to adjust the deviation. First, you need to click Reset Servo to make sure all these values are 500. And then click Read Deviation first. You can use this small slider to adjust the deviation. And then click the Download button. So the data will be downloaded to the servo controller. Finally, this reset deviation means changing all the deviation value to 0. So please be careful in using it. Okay, so much for today's introduction. If you still have any question, please feel free to contact us. See you there.